I live in Hanoi with my parents. My school name is Dr. Primary School. I'm in class 3C. I like banana. My favorite animal is giraffe.
Yeah, good.
My good friend is Tracy. My teacher is Mitchell.
Today I'm happy
Today, I'm happy
to tell you
about
to tell mommy and daddy
to tell mommy and daddy
about
about
my English class.
English classrooms.
Okay, now tell me. I follow you.
This is a brown
Board.
is white. That is my globe.
Good.
That it is on the bookshelf. This is a laptop. Laptop on the bookshelf.
There.
This is all pencils in the cup. Those are
Many. Those.
Those are many balls above me.
My head.
My head.
Okay, good. Above me. Okay, it's okay.
This is a dog.
Door, yeah. Can you open the door for teacher? Open. Open it.
Open.
And close. Okay, close it. I follow you.
Those are my pictures on the wall.
Wow, good. Big word.
There are two trays.
They are big or small?
They are big.
Big chairs, okay?
There are tables. There are 4 tables.
Okay, good. Around you. I can't see it. Anything else?
That is a clock.
Clock. Yeah, good. Next one. I follow you where you want to go. Oh, who is she? Who is he?
He is found.
Oh, he is found. He is naughty.
There is a fan.
Yeah.
That is teacher's window.
Oh, teacher's window. Okay, teacher's window. Anything else? And where's your seat? Where's your seat? Where are you sitting? And where is your chair? Where is your chair?
It's dress.
What? On the chair? What's on the chair?
Bag.
Ah.
On the tray.
Yeah, my bag is on the chair. Anything else?
Listening. Goodbye.
Oh, do you love storeroom?
Yes.
Okay, goodbye.